Alright, we painted our head here with the 2 coats of the flesh color and let it dry real well. Sprayed a little bit of red in there to kind of break up that paleness. So now we're going to go to hand brushing. We're using different type brushes for different things. This kind of brush works real good. If we're going to put some brown for some age spots, and we'll sprinkle it in like that. You can also use this if you want to just dab a little bit in the ear to put a little color in the ear, inside the ear. We want to paint our brows here, our lines here. We want to highlight them. We're going to paint the upper lip and the teeth, which need to be painted. We have to paint the lower lip here and the inside of the mouth. We're going to highlight these fingernails and highlight the marks that we got in here for our fingers. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll get this highlighted, then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.